We have about 400 ADU plans in our inventory. So from the first customer meeting, we can start putting plans in front of them of the given square footage that we are discussing. We do our homework. By the time we meet the customer, we already know which floor plans will likely work for them. And from the time we engage with them and show them floor plans, very, very quickly, we get an idea of what they want us to do. So basically, it speeds up everything and the customers get what they want. The smallest ADU we've built is probably 600 square feet. The largest are about 1,200 square feet. So we operate within that range. And having built homes, the size of it doesn't matter. We can do anything. And in addition to that, we do all the finishes. We have partnerships in place for things that we don't do, such as surveyors, soils engineers, Title 24 folks, structural engineers. So as we need these additional services, there's no guesswork on our part. There's no risk to the customer. We bring in partners that have proven themselves already with us on multiple projects.